Hey guys, it's Blake here at the JVW booth in front of our top of the line JVW series. Now, how did I get this wall built? Well, it started on my iPad. When I sit down with a customer, I go through our iPad process. It can also be on your laptop. When our tool is, we step through a questionnaire. The first question is, how close is your seating position? How far is your farthest seating position? So we don't start with a product to get to your solution. We start with a question, not a product. And then when we come to our end result, it could be something like this: a 151 diagonal, 24:9 aspect ratio. Yeah, Blake just said 24:9, not 240, not 16:9, 24:9. See, these interesting aspect ratios give us a lot of opportunities to do different things. Like for instance, by doing a 24:9, we're basically taking a 240 and lifting up the bottom and sending the edges out a little bit. So now we have space for a true center channel to go. And I can start dividing up this wall into 116:9, 108 with two 51s here, or I can have 6 images going on. What we're not doing is traditional tiling. Think of it as called layering. So I can make any size picture-in-picture I want and place it anywhere I want and as many as I want. Our video processing is off the chart. Video games look amazing on this. Movies look amazing on this, with as bright a room as you can possibly get, and we can also dim this down to as many as 100 nits for those dark room viewing experiences. The answer is always yes at JVW for you in the residential world. Give us a call, check us out on the web, justvideowalls.com.